Things you could never do on a boat. Number 1, meditating. Ah! Number 2,
Go over here.
never
Okay, smile.
eat a snack too close to the edge. Oh no! 3, never smile.
Onto something.
6, don't think you're close. Don't think you're close when you can see the thing. You're literally 30 minutes away. Thank you for watching. Oh God. Things you should never do. Part 3. Okay, number 1. Never stop on the windows, whatever they're called. Or else you will wake up your little sister who's addicted to gaming. Ah! Okay. Number 2, never record this. 3, never annoy mom. Okay. 4, never even get close to your little sister. That is terrible. Terrible. Don't do this.
Penny, come up here.
5,
Penny, look. Come up here, Ben.
never, ever wear a hat. I know you've seen me do it. Those are good hats. But never get the cheapy hats. When I first started sailing the first time, guess what happened? Guess what happened? It flew off 5 seconds when I actually started to get there. So, and last but not least, never, ever stop looking at my videos. Bye.